I'm going to show you how to hook up your Instagram account to your business.facebook.com and to your Meta suite. This is a little bit annoying, but I just need to show you exactly how to do this. So first off, what we're going to do is I want you to know that there's a little difference between your Facebook page and then your business.facebook.com page. And then there's another one that's different from this Meta Business Suite. Okay, so this is super confusing. And so if you go to business.facebook.com, it could be that you'll have an account right here that you'll go to and you'll get in your ad account. And so I'm just going to show you real quick on mine what this looks like. So if you go to business.facebook.com, it could be that it looks like this for you, or it could be that you're just, you're going to see something a little bit more like this, right? Now, if this is the situation, we're trying to get to this place called business settings, which is really kind of a pain to get to. Now, the first thing is if you're in this Meta Business Suite, if you search Meta Business Suite, one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over here and connect your Instagram account. Now, this one already has it, but there's another step we have to do. Now, I've got this little doohickey here. What you're going to do is you're going to come to all tools. We got to get to this business settings. That's what we're trying to do. I'm going to show you two ways to get there. And so first I'm going to go to all tools. Then I'm going to go to the ads manager. And then once I'm in the ads manager, I'm going to come back down here and I'm going to hit the all tools again. And I'm going to go to business settings. This is what I'm looking for. When I'm in the business settings, that's how I can get there. Now, on the other end, it could be that you're going to be like this. You might have a thing that looks like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit either business settings in the lower left hand there, this little gear. And once you're in here, you're a little bit better situation. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come into the Instagram account and you're going to go to add. And then you're actually going to get logged into another tab in your Instagram account and hit connect your Instagram account. And that's what you're going to try and do. Now, that was a brief, it's troubleshooting. It's a lot of screwing around, but you're trying to get to the business settings. That's the number one thing when you're in the business settings. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go in and go to Instagram account on the left and add it there.